Okay, now this is my next test with the first sun oven that I put together. Now, a couple of things you'll notice. First of all, you'll notice that I've got a bracing rod across the two far edges, far corners of the cooker. That was because actually when I started to look at the angles that were that the reflectors were put on, and looked at it by just standing right in front of it and looking at where the sun would be coming from, I noticed that the area that was being picked up by the reflectors and actually hitting the cooker probably weren't effective. So I had to pull those corners in, and actually something amazing has happened as a result. What I found when I first started to practice with the cooker is that I couldn't get the temperature much over about 70-80 degrees Celsius. Now, two things I've done. Obviously the bracing rod, this one here, just sits loosely on the corner. There's enough back pressure to keep that in place. The other thing is I put the saucepan in an oven bag, and what I've got in there now, and you probably won't be able to see this, and I don't want to take the cover off because it's actually cooking there, but it's actually simmering in there. It's actually simmering away very, very slowly, but it is definitely above or at around boiling point. And that means that my potatoes that I've got in there, it's just a test that I'm doing. I actually put those potatoes in at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and it is now 6:30 nearly, and the sun is likely to go behind that house at the back there at about in about another 20 minutes, and I'm tipping that my potatoes will be cooked by then. So nearly, I suppose, 1 3/4 hours to cook some spuds. I reckon that's quite acceptable without using any power whatsoever, or any gas or anything like that.